I got a question for you while she's talking to her. Those signs says no parking anytime. That means y'all too.
Okay.
So what gives y'all the right to park somewhere that we can't park?
So it's a private lot, so it's not enforceable by law.
It's not a private lot.
It is.
No.
Is it a public building?
Yes.
Okay, then that's a public lot, dumbass.
Yeah, that's not a private lot, but
Shit, we pay for this lot.
Okay.
we just want you to
Barney
know that
Fife.
it's on public land.
Barney Fife don't
Maybe
know what's
explain,
public and private.
Explain what harassment means to this lady too.
Yeah, because we don't know her.
I know the rule of harassment. You can leave me alone.
You don't understand.
Well, you should have left us alone when we wasn't bothering you. That's what you get for sticking your nose in somebody's business, Karen.
You were yelling at.
So I was yelling at someone. And Karen,
After that. That's
that
the
gave you the right to say something to me. Mind your business.
Would you mind walking?
No, I ain't gonna move anywhere. I have a right to stand right here and record.
Yes, you do.
Thank you. And your name is?
Officer Augustine.
You have a number?
Do you guys have tissues?
See, you should have done that in the first place when I told you to walk away.
You shouldn't be here.
Oh, I could be here all I want to. I pay for this place.
How many tissue papers I'd like to give her?
You want some preparation H? I got some.
I appreciate it, man. What you need? For Gills.
For Gills.
Badge number? 322.
Y'all did a great job.
Augustine.
But you do need to understand this is people's property.
You're making me look.
Yeah,
old
he's
now.
trying.
What the hell?
He's trying to tell me this
How
is
old are
private
you?
property.
You look. I was gonna say 27. What are you?
Okay, I want your answer on this, sir.
Babies. Okay, I.
No parking at any time. What gives the police officers the right or sheriff the right to park somewhere we can't park? We get a ticket. Are y'all above the law? Are you gonna give them tickets for parking where they should be parking? You gonna do your job?
Give a county officer a ticket for
That's right. He broke the law.
All right, very well then.
Oh, okay. You're a tyrant.
If you give me
You're a
ticket,
tyrant.
I'll write him a ticket.
You're a tyrant. He is breaking the law, and you're a law enforcer, right? Are you a law enforcer? Are you a law enforcer?
All right.
Are you a law enforcer?
You're free to do that.
Are you a law enforcer?
Is there anything I can help you?
Are you a law enforcer?
I'm not writing the county deputy a ticket.
Okay, because you were a damn count. Get your ass somewhere else and do something else. Because you're not upholding the law and you're not upholding the Constitution. So take your funky ass somewhere else, dumb fuck.
Let's go get them, move them cars in the inside.
Bye, dumb fuck. You're dismissed. Look, y'all. See his dumb ass smile? He think it suck dick too.
Is there anything that y'all need help with while you're here?
No, she's the one that needed help. Undoubtedly, we didn't need y'all. We know what we're doing.
Like I said, she might need some tissue papers, but that's about it.
Y'all have a great
Buy her a puppy or something. Bye, Karen, wherever you are. Do what?
It's like, God damn it, Karen. Always calling the cops on us.
I know.
I love that they use the excuse for harassing them.
I know, right? You're harassing me, ma'am. I don't know your ass.
Talk to you. You said something to me. The police are allowed to park there as long as they want. They're a law officer.
And this asshole actually admitted that he is not going to give another officer a ticket.
Yeah.
He admitted up there. So, you know, the brothers in blue, the gang in blue.
Did Son and Upstate go inside?
I don't know, but let's go. I don't think Upstate likes to poke.
Yeah, no, I feel you on that. You know me, I'm the pokey bear. Yeah, they're inside.
Law Enforcement Center divisions. No bicycles allowed on the ramps. All persons package. Okay. No guns or weapons allowed.
Well, at least we got the police interaction.
Yeah, my camera went out. Both my batteries are dead on my camera. So I'm live. I'm live right now. Okay, y'all just turned in live. I'm sorry. We're at the Greenville Law Enforcement Center. See this here? And we're still in Greensville. I think this is beautiful. We're still in Greensville County. I'm still out here with Pepperoni Audits and Upstate SC News. Oh, that tree looks good like that. And Carolina Guardian.
No concealed weapons allowed.
Maybe we should ask them about the cars, I know.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the sheriff. He might know something. Who's available? He don't look like he's doing anything.
They're just touring the building.
Sir, You're the sheriff's department. I have a question for you.
Oh, you have to be escorted?
Out here, there's two signs that says no parking at any time, and y'all got officers' cars out there parked. What gives y'all the right to park and to break the law? And are y'all gonna move those cars from breaking the law?
I've never heard of a public-private building before.
Excuse me? Sir,
Oh,
dump up.
you have to have permission to go on a public.
Dump up.
I've been in.
Dump up can't speak, y'all. Look.
I've never had to get permission to go on a
What is
public
his name?
building before. We're not
K-A-T
escorted, so
chick,
I'm
cat
serious.
chick. It looks like cat got cat chick's tongue. Dump up, you know who you work for, right? I had a question for
I
you.
just want to tour the building, maybe get some shots of the uniforms that are on the
Wow, dump up can't talk.
wall. No? Okay, I need.
I'm gonna get a
some
complaint form, because this
I
complaint,
need-
this dump fuck is
I
not
need
answering my
like 4
question.
complaint forms?
I need one on dump fuck right here, because he's not answering my questions. I asked him about the,
Do they have a hearing problem? No. Oh, are they ignoring us for a reason then?
You tell me what the complaint is, so I can get it.
this dumb fuck is not answering my question I asked him.
I need a complaint for you for not letting me go in a public building, and then I need complaints for the officers.
No, I want us to hire up.
In the no parking zone?
Oh, it said restricted area.
So I'm gonna need.
How about you? Can you, right out here, since I'm showing you respect, you show me respect. Right out here, there's no parking signs at any time. But y'all got official vehicles parked. Right up under those no parking signs where people cannot park.
We got supervisors come down here and talk to you in just a minute.
Y'all, thank you very much, sir.
All right.
Mr. Henson is what it,
I'm sorry?
Huntington? Mr. Huntington?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Huntington.
Yep.
See, that's how you do it, dumb fuck.
No, what I do is I go to public buildings because they're open for.
See, Mr. Huntington knows who works for him. Dumb fuck don't know shit.
Which is something I've never heard of in my entire life. I don't even think there's such thing as a public-private building. But if you say so. Yeah. It's a public-private building. he
Okay.
said.
This gentleman right here, he's got a supervisor come down talking about the cars parked where they're not supposed to be. But this dumbass right here that ignores people, I got his name. Cat something. The cat got his tongue.
He's probably one of those rapist cops that rape people.
Yeah.
Usually those ones that don't talk to you.
Forgets who they working for. Then they want to call you at home wanting damn money for our police safety.
So who pays the private part of this building?
Don't know.
So I'm curious. I've never heard of a public-private building before.
Me neither. Because it's public records and everything, you're supposed to be able to go up there and if they state issues in here, we're supposed to be able to go wherever the state issues are.
I don't think your son came to this way.
No.
Oh, I got time to shoot, sorry. They're missing all the interactions, where the hell they are.
The loving memory of the Greenville police officer James Russell. And that was in 1996, looks like. Killed in the line of duty.
Well, God, they didn't use
Well-
the shirt he got shot in.
I know. Thank you for your service, Mr. Russell.
Public-private building.
Never heard of it.
I know.
Because there's a seal of Green County right there, Greenville County. Public records. You're supposed to be able to walk into public records.
I think that should be mislabeled, and it's not should be mislabeled, it should be private records, since the public's not allowed that there.
When is the public not allowed in their own buildings? When they got something to hide? Here they come.
Hey guys, welcome to the public-private building.
See where it says public records?
Yeah, it says public, private. And this is Mr. Dumbfuck down here. I went down here, asked him questions, he ignored me all right. But this gentleman here, Mr. Russell, he helped me out. He's got somebody come down. But Mr. Dumbfuck over there, I don't know anything.
Yeah, dump up. Yeah, that's what she said. She said dump up. Okay.
She said that's an officer you don't talk.
Oh, okay.
He can't hear like you. I know you have to hear wrong too.
Okay. That's what we asked. Why wouldn't you let notice in?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Wait,
You good?
they're probably saying you can't come in.
It's signed.
No,
Ready
no,
to
they told
go?
him he couldn't come in.
Can I help you?
We're gonna go get some public records.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what he
Why
said.
can't I go in? Why are you segregating against me? No, I'm going in, dude. If you're letting everyone else in, I'm going in.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, because he's with us, he's doing public records also.
You don't have a choice in it, sir.
Public records. Okay,
We'll be down there,
Why are you yeah, your pills are empty, man. Did you take too many pills? Is that what's going on?
You shouldn't leave your post because people gotta come in.
Yeah, you shouldn't leave your medicine on the table either, man. Hey, why am I not allowed in this public building? But they
They know
He didn't even
why
check
they're
in.
sitting here recording in public. No, we're not this early. We get mad because you're telling us we can't come in when it's a public building.
You said you need to go to public records there. it is.
Yeah,
Okay.
There's other things here that I can
Go
go
to
to.
the public.
it's a public building, we could go anywhere we're allowed. De-escalate, sir. De-escalate, please, sir. De-escalate.
Can we
De-escalate.
get the supervisor, please, because he doesn't know the First Amendment and what's public and where we're allowed to go.
Yeah, please get
Anywhere in
supervisor
this
down
public
here.
building, we're allowed to go.
Go ahead and put this gate in.
Sir?
Go ahead and put this gate in.
Yeah.
No,
We're not back here, it's up. Yeah, we're not,
Certain
we,
areas are sensitive, so y'all stay up there.
okay.
well, there's signs.
Thank you, yeah, thank you for letting us know. No, he's not going past that area.
Don't snap at me. Do I look like a dog to you?
Go that way.
He could stand right there.
Right here. There's no sign saying I cannot stand right here. Don't snap your fingers like I'm here. No, this is a public place. You can't tell me to leave unless I'm breaking the law or I'm here after hours. So try again.
Bye, y'all. Y'all have a good
Why are
day.
you walking out and not arresting me? Because I know the law. Mama, your sunglasses. Pepperoni, come on in.
Excuse me.
What? Why do you want to tell me?
You don't need to tell why to come into our building. Come on.
Go back out.
I'm not going back out. You just told me to come in, dude.
Crime Stoppers, we looking for these two.
Go back out.
Okay, we're gonna play this game. Go back
Yeah,
out.
go back out.
Go back out.
We got a public,
Put the camera on the other side.
No, thank you.
There
Put
we
the
go.
camera on the other side. and
No,
bring it
thank you.
through
You
the-
he
don't
wants you to go through there.
He
There
did.
you go. There you go.
I need to get public records.
There it is.
This is a public building. You told me thank you. Thank you. He's one until the beginning to be in here.
Okay, can we go out through here?
Nope.
No, we don't, we ain't finished what we're doing.
So there's policy, you have
Yeah,
to turn in all your stuff.
we did.
We already set it aside.
We already went through all
Came
that.
through, and when he tried to do the same thing, he got mad. Because I set
Yeah,
it aside.
my stuff went through there. I took off my backpack and I put it through there. I took off everything. I put it through there. Yeah, we did what we were supposed to. He's just mad because we're not going to public records and we're videoing
What
when
are
we're
you
out
guys
of.
attempting to get
Huh?
here, public
Well,
records?
one, I want any kind of complaint that's ever been done on that man.
Okay.
And I want his salary. I want to know how much he gets paid.
So he's doing his job because he's required to
No,
check.
No,
everything
no,
when
he,
they come
no,
in
no,
here.
no.
He was denying them before we even got over here. He asked us, what do we want on this side of the, which we don't have to tell him.
Yeah,
We
we're
don't
not
have
gonna tell
to
him
what
what
we're coming in here for. We don't have to.
This is our building.
So,
That's what he was getting upset about because he wasn't telling
okay,
them
what
where they
are
wanted to
you
go.
guys here to get?
Well,
Public records.
public records.
Like what kind of?
I can't tell you. You can't disclose
I
it
just
yet.
want a freedom of information paperwork that I can fill out and send back to you.
Okay, so you're just wanting a FOIA request?
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, and see, but he can't be
I
telling.
want to get some video first before I came over here. And everywhere I went, I saw
Real
where
quick.
it said no person,
Wait.
authorized personnel only, so I came back.
Real quick,
over
because
this
I'm
way.
already done with you.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
Is there something I can call you?
Yeah, you can call me Larry.
Larry?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, Larry.
Hi again,
I'm
fellas.
Scott, man. So, listen, like, can
No,
We're trying to keep this civil, you know what I mean? Well,
teach him the law. That is not his job.
You're here. So, okay, so you're here.
Only his job is look for people who's got weapons. That's all his job is.
So you're here to do a FOIA request.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm just going right here to the end. I'm not going past the exit.
I'm gonna hang out with you then.
Yeah, just step back a little bit. That right here. See, this is where we was at, right? I'm showing you now. So we know we're not allowed to go over here or go over here or go over here. And he stepped back over there. So we know where we're allowed to be and where we're not allowed to be. Have a good day, ma'am. So we got to teach y'all the law. You work for us. I'm definitely not, because we're still here, aren't we, boo-hoo? We still here, aren't we, dumb shit? We still here, aren't we, dumb shit?
I didn't understand.
We still here, aren't we, dumb shit?
Oh, you called me dumb shit.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of things could be weapons, okay?
Yeah, I pulled everything out of my pocket and I said on his little desk.
Did y'all put your cameras in there too?
Yeah, everything went through there.
Search your bag.
No, he's not searching my bag.
No.
No.
Fourth Amendment violation right
No.
there.
He had my bag up there. I set my bag up there. He was. No, you ain't getting that either. No. No, you ain't. You could have checked my bag when I left it up there.
You got a warrant?
Don't you touch me.
All right, no.
No, he touched me.
No, ho.
I have a right to defend myself. No. I have a right to defend myself. I have a right to defend myself. No.
No.
Resisting, okay?
I'm not
She
resisting.
has a right to resist.
He touched me. He touched me. Get my camera. Get my camera. Get this camera because you fucking asshole with your
Not right now. Hold on.
I need her keys so I get home. Don't lock her up. I need the keys so I get home. Hang on.
Oh, y'all done fucked up. Y'all done fucked up big time.
South Carolina Supreme
He
Court.
put his hands on me. Yes. In South Carolina, yes, I can. I can resist. This is an unlawful arrest. I can resist. And this is an unlawful arrest. I have all y'all from. You put your hands out on me.
Hey,
No, I can't.
We already got
you said this order.
Yeah, what's your name?
You said this order.
Yes, I do.
I'm playing all the way right now.
And my everything in my pockets.
For the lawsuit.
Give
You
me
can't just touch people against that's a crime. He broke the law and you arrested her for it.
Okay, all right. I'm not arresting anybody right now, okay?
She's in
I'm
cuffs,
talking
that's an
to you.
arrest.
Okay, I'm talking to you, okay? I didn't place any cuffs on anybody, okay? All right, so listen.
Now, sir, no, I'm gonna talk to the officer right here because he's talking reasonable.
I have the right to defend myself.
Sergeant, this gentleman right here touched me, and I waved his hand away from me for touching me.
It's on camera.
Well, yeah, I put everything. Wait, so I put everything.
Well, you don't have to, don't
I
have a
put
right
everything on
to search.
camera. He's already. Okay, you gonna lose your fucking minute too, don't fuck.
So, listen, man. You've been cool, man, okay? I'll make sure we get. You know where she's going?
No.
Back here, if you come out.
Oh, the place they tried to tell me I couldn't record in there either.
Yeah, so those phones, you'll be able to talk there, and right next to that.
Don't put your fucking hands on me, dude. Don't put your hands on me, dude.
Well, actually, we can be cussing. It's a First Amendment right.
Don't touch me.
He has every right to cuss.
You can't be me when I'm not breaking the law, pig. Pig.
He's not breaching the peace because y'all the one who caused it. You understand that? Y'all the one who caused it, so you're the one that's breaching the peace.
I'm gonna ask you to leave the property because
You can't ask us to leave the property. No, you can't.
Absolutely can.
No, you can't. It's public property. The only law that you can trespass me from is I'm here after hours.
Identify himself.
But no, you can't trespass me because I gotta go over there and get all my stuff. But man, get the fuck out of my face.
Pig. Doesn't he understand law? Doesn't he understand?
Hey,
disorderly conduct law?
Sergeant, I hope you know I'm calling my lawyer.
You moron. Ugly pig. Ugly fat pig. Oink, 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 oink.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely calling the lawyer now. I hope you have fun for this fucking lawsuit. You're gonna have a field day.
Yeah, they're known as child rapists right there. Every last one of them.
Hey, can you explain to me why your officers are breaking the law parking
Yeah,
here?
why don't they move their squad cars? Move your squad cars.
Yeah, we're going in to get public records requests. and they're telling us we had to leave.
Hey, Larry,
No.
you said you wanted her keys, right?
Yeah, I wanted her keys.
Okay, so what you need to do,
No, you can go right there and hand it to me. That's what you can do.
all right, hold on.
Before she goes back there. While I'm calling the lawyer. No, y'all, no. Any officer who allows unlawful arrest is also going to get sued too. Even though you didn't physically do it, you're going to get sued too because you're a part of it. Hey, Mr. Simmons, here, talk to the sergeant who just arrested Mama for someone trying to grab her. Here, talk to the lawyer. No, you can talk to him now. You on speaker, Mr. Simmons. And then they threatened to arrest us for cussing. We're in Greenville, we was getting public records, and a city employee reached out to grab something off of my mama, and she slapped his hand away, and they arrested her. He did the assault when it was a guy who was doing the unwanted grabbing.
Ready?
Can I get the keys, please?
She said she already gave them to you.
No, she didn't give me the keys.
What kind of,
I
what do they
gave
look
them to
like?
someone
They're-
down there,
they're-
so I took them off her neck and I gave it.
Can I look through her bag, please?
Well, she wants the bag and everything go with y'all anyway.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we got everything on video. It was on live.
There you go, sir.
Thank you very much.
There's that.
All right, y'all be safe out there. Don't get shot. And my lawyer's going to be contacting the Greenville Law Enforcement Center.
Gotcha.
Sergeant Hamilton.
That's it.
Have a nice fucking day.
How long will the process be
So,
before she gets on?
it probably won't be that long. Okay. It's right down here. So you see these front doors?
Uh-huh.
Directly to the right of that. That's
Uh-huh.
the magistrate's office.
Uh.
So give it about 30, 40
Well,
minutes.
has she been arrested before?
Yeah, she's
Go faster, Dad.
Yeah, give it about 30, 40 minutes, and then I'd go in there and just inquire, go to the left.
yeah, she was arrested
And
for
you'll see city and you'll
assault
see county on the right, city's on the left. Go
of a
there and
city
just
employee.
inquire about her,
And I got on. Yeah, I got it. I'm on the phone with the lawyer now, Mama. Don't worry. So, is she going to see the parole judge now, or
yes. So she'll be booked in. Okay. Right
bond's
here.
judgment?
Yes.
Well, she'll be seen here shortly. It's
Yeah.
up to the judge how long that takes, okay? But if
Yeah,
she has
well,
been
well,
arrested
well,
before, then it'll be a quicker process for her.
Well, every time she's been arrested for the same reason you just arrested her for, has been dropped and expunged off her record and lawsuit pending. So,
Okay.
y'all just cost this county a lot of money.
Yeah, that's fine. Are you guys?
Oh, that's fine because it's not coming out your pocket, huh?
They're not county, they're city.
She's getting found innocent every time. She didn't get dropped.
Oh yeah, found innocent every time. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Are you headed over there? Or you
Yeah, well, we're gonna wait for her to come out.
Okay. What I would do, I'd wait right over here.
I'm gonna wait anywhere I
Well,
want
that's
to in
where
this
she
parking
is.
lot. Yeah, okay.
That's why.
Anywhere in this parking lot, I'm gonna record all the traffic violations that's going on
I
here.
ask you to not stand in the parking lot because I don't
Yeah, you
want
can be on the
you-
sidewalk.
I could be in the parking lot. It's not a roadway.
Okay.
That's called prior restraint. You can't do that. That's against the law. See, obviously you don't know the law by, but you can ask all you want.
I can't ask
So,
all I want.
sir.
That's
So okay.
Because I have to walk through the parking lot to get to our car. Now, would not? Now, how would I get to the car if I'm not walking through the parking lot? Okay, then, hush. Tell me what I can and can't do on public property. Go fuck yourself. Yes, I can. It's a First Amendment right.
you're mistaken.
No, I am not mistaken because it's also underneath seeking grievance towards a police officer. So try again. Try again.
They're trying to say that using cuss words.
Yeah, they're trying to say I can't cuss. Period.
That's another lawsuit.
Yeah, that's a damn right. That's a lawsuit.
That's another one they've lost twice on already.
Yep, and my phone's everything of mine's still recording. I'm just not pointing at everything.
That's more interesting to cussing.
Hey, Pepperoni, don't worry about them. Come on over here so we can get this stuff in the car. Mom,
Now, is there a church?
get the fuck over here. It's public property. He don't have a right to trespass you for public property.
Is there a church close by?
I think so. Newton Church, yeah. New Springs Church or something. We're at the Greenville County Law Enforcement Center. That's where we was at. And the guy who's not even an officer reached out to go grab my mama, and she slapped his hand away, and then they arrested her.
Yeah, I called you that.
Yeah, no, yeah, nothing to worry about.
Oh yeah, we got all this on video, Mr. Simmons.
Okay.
Hell, I think hers is still alive. Let me see.
You can move your car.
Yeah,
Move your vehicle. It's parked illegally.
yeah, it's still going live.
Car parked illegally.
Okay.
Move.
Hey guys, yeah, she's staying her ground. They going she was also arrested for resisting.
remind her that she gets $10,000 a day every day she's in prison. Once it gets thrown out of court.
Yep. I'll let her know it gets 10,000 a day. But they threatened Pepperoni if he came back on the property, they was going to arrest her. They threatened me if I kept cussing, they was going to arrest me. And I'm sitting there trying to have a civil conversation with one of these officers when that damn old ass fucker that works inside tried to go in and grab my mama. And then we'll talk about we're being disorderly. No, we're not the ones being disorderly. The ones that be disorderly are the people who freaking work here.
Well, if you got on video, that's...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have a nice fucking day. Sorry.
Calm down. Don't let them get you to go. But,
They assaulted my mother.
are they arresting your boy for assault?
No, because he was allowed to do it.
Cops rape little kids, watch
Why
out.
were you allowed to touch your mom?
Because she, I think she had something on her necklace. Oh yeah, it was fucking pepper spray. But she put everything out in front of him and went inside. And when she was over there, he went to reach out and go touch it. Kept telling her that he had a right to look through her bag. And she's like, no, you don't. He's not even an officer. He don't have no right to my bag. And these fucking officers who don't know the goddamn law, he's just an old ass fart who sits next to the metal detector in plain clothes. He's not an officer. That's it.
Move your car.
And he tried to tell me I couldn't go in because until I tell him what I was there for.
Doesn't he understand disorderly conduct?
He can't even tell us to leave because we wasn't breaking the law. Yeah, I know he can't touch us. He's not law enforcement. He has no right to touch anybody. And yet they went and arrested my mama for defending herself.
Stop molesting people and putting your hands on
Yeah,
them.
damn right. I want that fucker arrested.
The lady who got attacked. Pig.
When you go and talk to these people,
Yeah, I'm talking to you, pig.
I know what my mama wants. She wants that man arrested.
But you feel real
Let me go find out.
The woman defending
It'll be
herself.
on the witness.
Join the lawsuit,
I got it.
moron.
I got it.
Bunch of fucking pigs. Every one of them.
Yeah, it's just the weather out here. It's kind of freaky. Yeah. Other than that, I was probably out 20 hours a day.
Well, it's good to see it. We always worry about sticking out here. Enjoy the phone calls, especially your department pig. I'll make sure I post your department's phone number on my YouTube channel, pig.
I got mama still going over
I got
here.
a fat one in my pants for you to suck.
Sorry guys, had to go get that. Hey, look up the Greenville County Law Enforcement Center and also call the police department in Greenville, because it was the police department who came out, and the Sergeant Hamilton was the one who kept violating people's rights. Y'all all got on camera that the man reached out to go touch my mother with unlawful touch and smacked his hand for trying to touch her, and they arrested her for assault.
I like it. Trust me, do it. Dare you. Put your hands illegally on me, see what happens, pig. Won't go the same way the mama did.
Yeah, because we're a lot stronger.
I will defend myself. You illegally try to arrest my ass. Yeah, definitely. See you later, piggy.
Mom just got a huge lawsuit.
What's that?
About 30 minutes, they said.
30 minutes. Yeah, we'll be back.
A gas station or something.
What the fuck, dude?
I want to keep mama's shit live.
I turned around and I seen that dude go up to your mom and like go to slap her.
No, he was grabbing her her necklace.
Why?
Because it had a damn pepper spray on it. But instead of saying, hey, you can't come in here with that pepper spray, oh, well, I put it on the table and you let me through.
Seatbelts.
Seatbelt's on.
All right, just making sure. This is definitely.
Oh, this.
Yeah, I didn't get the beginning part when he was going hands-on first. I just got the part where he looked like he was about to slap your mom, and I'm like, what the fuck?
Oh, hell no, Big Bang. Listen here, Hoss. No, they had no right to
Oh, it's copyright.
come out.
music. You're welcome.
They had no right to put hands on mama at any situation. No, she didn't have a warrant. Georgia constitutional.
No warrants for mama.
They didn't say anything about warrant. What does the pig say? She had a warrant? No. Some dumb fuck at the the county law enforcement complex,
Well,
the side center.
it's county and city in the same.
Well, that's why I say the city police.
Well, technically, he said
What-
it was
what-
public-private.
Well, what is the well, the guy who doesn't have a badge don't know law. That's why I laugh at him and tell him you don't know what you're talking about and walk past his ass.
That fat guy behind the desk was a douchebag too. Who gave me the FOIA request? I
What
called him
question?
ma'am. He said, "Here you go, sir." And I was like, "Thank you, ma'am." I fucking hate it when they're just.
You just said how big? I saw him get slapped.
Here's a disorderly conduct.
City. Okay, not state.
That's city. That's who arrested.
Violent. All right, she wasn't violent. Fighting, uttering, marking, obscene gestures. You're allowed to.
She
make
wasn't
obscene-
fighting.
You're allowed to utter gestures to yourself too. I don't know why that's just.
I guarantee you they're going to throw resisting on there too.
Oh God, yes.
Offering violence to another, disclaiming any carryout.
And
in
if
a
there was
noisy,
any problem
obscene
with her going
use of
through
matter.
With that,
with
yeah.
that, I mean, like I said, she put it in the basket.
Yep.
Right?
You see that?
Went through the metal detector and he gave it back to her.
So he got it for disorderly conduct.
That's what he said.
Right is nope.
Listen, I asked the cops, the two, I followed them out, right?
Fighting.
They
uttering,
told
or
me
making
on
obscene
camera, I got it, that they got her for disorderly conduct and
resistance.
assault.
And well, they can't get her for assault
I'm
because
telling you,
he went to go grab her.
that's what they said.
I'm coming back up here, and I'm going right back in there too.
Oh, yeah.
I want to keep coming back until that fucker's fired.
I was playing him so hard when me and your mom were first in there. I'm like, so this is a private public building? What does that mean? I'd never heard of that. He's like, well, some of the parts are private. I'm like, well, that's so weird. I've been to so many public buildings.
See, that's the thing. They always want to get us for disturbing the peace and everything. It's them who's disturbing our peace.
Yeah, just do your
So
job.
we have a right.
First of all, why
I
were
need
you
cigarettes
allowed
so bad.
inside, but I wasn't?
Exactly.
Why?
Because you wasn't telling them where you wanted to go.
No, I did. I told him I wanted to tour the building and I wanted to take some photos of the law enforcement jackets on the wall. And he's like, no. And I'm
Well,
like,
you saw how quick he got mad at me when I was recording other things besides going and get public records.
Yeah. You heard him scream, well, he didn't put his camera on the other side. I'm like, you're a fucking liar. I'm just saying, if you're letting other people...
What's the difference of me hanging on to the camera and you walking through?
and setting it
Because
up?
it's not like he can search through it. They don't have a metal detector.
I wouldn't trust him to search through my
What's he
shit.
gonna do? Try to open something up and fuck it up? He's not law enforcement. He had no right to even tell us we couldn't even come in.
That one
The
cop
only
was
his
just-
job there to do is look for weapons. That's it.
He was about to arrest me too for cussing.
Yeah, I know. And then he said the same thing to me while I was on the phone with the lawyer. And he says, well, that's a lawsuit right there.
Yep.
Well, when y'all was out there yelling, they were over there conspiring, talking about locking you up,
I know they are.
disturbing the peace.
They can't get us for disturbing the peace.
Am I not allowed to protest our
Well, that's what I
government
told
as
him.
they're
I said, hey,
falsely
man.
arresting someone?
I said, hey man, they can go over there and protest all they want. They can yell, scream, whatever.
Yeah.
It's
Stop.
all under free speech, man. I don't care about your damn ordinance. You'll find out.
Ordinance isn't Trump state law.
Well, there is a state law on disorderly conduct too, but it's so.
For fighting.
But uttering and making obscene gestures. Well, who gets to determine what gesture is obscene? So one of these days, I'm gonna give an officer a thumbs up, and he's gonna arrest me for an obscene gesture.
I flipped off the cop like 40 times. I'd love for him to arrest me for flipping him off. This
Oh
is-
no.
They need to
Oh, no.
understand what disorderly conduct really is when it hits the courts. 'Cause that's just gonna go in and out.
Yeah, he's a predator. And no, he didn't find a weapon, Big Bang. You know what? I'm fucking tired of your ass. I know Mama doesn't do it. But I'm gonna do it. Because I'm the one who's in control of it now, motherfucker. If you don't know how to behave, that's what you get.
So are they citing and releasing your mom? Or what?
Well, don't know.
I heard 30 minutes. That's why I was.
Yeah, they said 30 minutes. I'll put your ass on a timeout and you're gonna sit there and do another fucking piece. You're gonna call me a damn coward. You're just spitting all fucking nonsense bullshit.
Man, you're letting all the air out, bro.
Well, I rolled mine down because Pepperoni had his down.
Yeah, my bad.
And it was making that bullshit.
Trying to cool it, joint off. Dang, where's the store?
Right? I'm thirsty as hell and that's about all I can get at the moment. Sorry guys, I want to keep y'all on as long as I can. I just called, they said they are doing a walkthrough with her. She should be out in 20 minutes. Thank you, Twister. I appreciate it.
Keep calling.
Keep calling. Just, hey, get on hold of other people's live streams who's out there and out and about, like NC Tyrant Hunter, San Juan Keen, I don't care who. Just let them know SC Swamp Fox was just arrested for disorderly conduct and assault. When she was the one who was getting assaulted and she just defended herself.
We gotta do some videos.
Well, we got 2 videos pretty much.
I think that's.
Somebody wants to get arrested.
That's why he was doing his own thing, man. He was in his own zone over there. Like, I'm gonna record off the side.
Hang on.
Well, I don't know what happened. Well, the line's still going.
Like I said, when I first went in that building, they wouldn't let me in, but they were letting other people in. And they had Carolina Guardian in with this camera.
Yeah,
I'm just like, WTF.
Well, I know. I mean, yeah, I saw all that.
Yeah, I'm
Because
like,
he came in with me, Hoss.
I'm like, how is that even fair?
But I don't know what transpired before we walked in.
Yeah. Swamp was trying to get something about the squad cars being parked there, and the officer was ignoring her. And I think all she said was dumb fuck a few times. That was it.
What we should have done, I didn't think about it, man. We went in there and got this.
We need to start carrying.
He said 2 or 3 days, so
Oh yeah, he said this will take 2 or 3 days.
both of them.
Well,
Let's see what's going on the chat. It's still saying just call. Okay. I'm looking for a particular video. It was Fresenius. I'm having a hard time finding it.
alright, I know. There's a QT right up here.
Good. I'm just thirsty as hell.
I was gonna say I don't got my wallet on me.
See, that's Madison.
That's in your mama's car.
I'm looking for the video for Fresenius because that's the one that I put on the channel with the law. There it is. There it is. State versus Mobley. That's what it was. State versus Mobley. All thumbs up. You probably need some beer. No, I don't drink, bros.
I don't drink, but I wouldn't mind a beer. That's GCM?
Huh?
GCM?
Yeah.
What up, Georgia? Pepperoni.
Like you in here, Georgia Constitutional Media.
That dude does work.
Or Constitution Media. Sorry, not Constitutional. But yeah, it's state versus Mobley. Is the right to resist unlawful arrest. So Yeah, love you too, Georgia Constitutional Media.
You might have the right, but you see what happens.
Yeah. Yeah. But there was already a case like that with Mama, and they said no, she had a right to defend herself because he had no business putting his hands on her. And that's what's going on with that gentleman. He had no business putting hands on her. So yeah, she's gonna slap him. I hope they take, like,
I'm pretty sure he was trying to reach for your mom's. What?
do you have your card on you and everything?
No, I told you. I told you
I
like 3 times, dude.
got you.
But like, you deaf, dude? Like, you need to get a hearing aid, bro.
I am deaf in my left ear.
It's in your mama's problem.
You're forgetting, I have no hearing in my left ear.
Well, make sure to scream at the right.
Oh, that one ain't a part. Next one. This is, oh, you got it fixed?
Yeah, GCM
Well,
gonna have to
yeah.
come up here.
I got
We're
my
gonna have to
tag,
come
but I
down
had to
there.
put it on here.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I want to link up with GCM and all them.
You ain't lying. I love to sit up there.
Electric crew is
I did-
popping off,
I did-
bro.
I didn't want to put my new tag on quite yet
Mhm.
because I knew we were going out. And they would get my tag and all that.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say, when I first started doing audits, I don't remember hardly anyone in Georgia. So it's good to see so many
Yeah.
freaking Georgia people popping up.
Let me check her battery. Oh, God.
Probably dead or almost.
I'm going to have to come back on when we go back that direction, guys. You're headed to head this way? Yeah. It would be fun, Georgia.
We will have fun, man.
Everybody's going to be live when we go back.
Put a comment in here, and I'll find a way to get you my email account.
I just got a big camera.
All right,
What?
let's go in.